everyone, welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Made with Love Scrap with Robin projects. So this is either a whole workshop of 3 two-page layouts, or you can get them individually because they are quite different. They do all use the Made with Love paper pack, but I wanted to make it less about romantic love and more about things that you love. So I thought, what's more appropriate than having a page about your favorite pet? And then someone requested that there be a kitty version, and so I am going to honor that. But this is a very simple layout idea, just strips across the top and adding your photos where you want them to be. I did double mount this one just to emphasize the pinkness of the page. And then I added some little stripes on the journaling box and a couple of little Cricut cuts. And that's it. But it's super cute, very easy, and it's not about boyfriend, husband, beau, things like that. And then we've got I love to travel. So how about a fun travel page? Again, very simple. I love squares. So playing with the squares, you could play it up yourself. You could just take something and take this whole thing if there's a photo you want to emphasize. And we've got some little photos down here, some big photos, live, love, travel, and some Cricut cuts with some layering going on. Very fun. And finally, you got to have a birthday girl. So what's more funner than hearts and pinkness on a birthday layout? So we've got some, again, strips going this way instead, and some photos about, and you're ready for your birthday. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.